Dawn Education Expo has been providing aspiring students from across the country with the opportunity to study abroad. This year too, around 80 universities from different countries across the globe and from within the country are participating in this event. While universities from United Kingdom are found here in majority, representatives from America, Australia, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore and Turkey have also come here and are offering graduate and postgraduate level studies to aspiring students.
We have several students coming over with their documents, with their credentials, and they discuss the idea of studying further, primarily higher education, and whatever interest they have, they discuss it with their respective universities.
And there is definitely no dearth of options, for the students not only have a variety to choose from, but are also given counseling regarding their fields of interest.
It's a good step of whatever the universities are offering. It's a good step towards the students for their future career.
It's very important for students to get a lot of information about these places, such as living expenses, what's the services available there, what's the total landed cost of living there. So this kind of exhibition really helps students out.
A special feature at the event is the scholarships offered by these universities that have attracted a large number of students, and some universities are even offering on-spot registration. After Karachi and Lahore, this event will be taken to Islamabad so that maximum number of students can benefit from it. Sana Saif, DawnNews, Lahore.